Global X Robo-advisor for Investing Honest Review, watch before using. Today, we're diving into an honest review of the Global X Robo-advisor, a popular automated investment platform designed to help individuals of all experience levels make smarter investment decisions. This service is geared towards investors who want a hands-off, data-driven approach to their portfolios without the complexities of actively managing individual stocks or bonds. The key features of Global X's Robo-advisor include portfolio customization based on your risk tolerance, a wide variety of ETFs, exchange-traded funds to choose from, and a user-friendly interface. The platform also offers automatic rebalancing to ensure your investments remain aligned with your financial goals. Whether you're a first-time investor or looking to optimize your current portfolio, Global X promises to tailor investment strategies to your needs. The platform is great for those who want to start investing but aren't sure where to begin. It offers low fees, usually less than traditional advisors, and it provides you with a clear, actionable investment plan based on your preferences. They use advanced algorithms to suggest ETFs and bonds, relying on Global X's proprietary technology, which is backed by data and market trends. However, while the Robo-advisor provides automatic diversification across multiple asset classes, it might lack some personalized touch that a human financial advisor could offer. The platform's customer support is decent, but it's not as robust as some other platforms in the market. One thing that stands out with Global X is their focus on thematic investing. If you're looking to invest in specific sectors like clean energy, artificial intelligence, or blockchain technology, Global X offers funds that allow you to target those markets. This can be appealing for investors interested in a niche area of growth, but it's important to note that thematic investing can also come with higher volatility. Global X's Robo-advisor excels when it comes to simplicity and transparency. The fees are competitive, and you get a clear understanding of what you're investing in. However, if you're someone who wants a high level of control or specific guidance on tax optimization strategies, you might find it a bit limited. In conclusion, if you're an investor looking for a low-maintenance, cost-effective way to enter the market with automated diversification, Global X's Robo-advisor is worth considering.